So we are going to apply F equals ma in this direction. So we can write, there's a tension in this string, so we can name it as T. Same string, same tension. So we can write, in this particular direction, it should be T. And in the opposite direction, we can expect, what is that force? Or neither. That should be T minus mg sin alpha. Equals, now the mass is m, but you know this acceleration has to be the one which is relative to earth, right? So you may write this is acceleration relative to earth, right? So let's try to find what is this acceleration of m relative to earth, especially in this direction. So by applying the principle of relative acceleration, we can write this is acceleration of m relative to the wedge plus acceleration of wedge relative to earth, right? Wedge relative to earth. So you may write, this is the one we need to find, but the direction is specified. So this is the resultant that we are looking at. Acceleration of m relative to a. Predefined, you can see the magnitude is f, and we have anyway taken it in that particular direction that we are expecting, right? So we can write it is simple f plus right. So we are talking about acceleration of capital M, which is the wedge relative to earth. Now you can see that is a little bit different because we are expecting in a different direction, right? Sorry for that disturbance. That sound came from Candy. So this is F, and you can see that is already in this direction, right? But if you look at the other one, you can't just write F. That is wrong because this F has a different direction, right? Not the one that we consider. The one we consider is in this direction, right? This is the direction we consider, right? So we have to take a component, isn't it? So that can be F cos alpha, but is it in the direction that we need, like positively or negative? Should be negative, right? Because we consider from here to here, but it's other way around. So it will be F cos alpha, certainly, but negative. So we can know this is minus F cos alpha. Now you don't have to write all these steps, after you get into this shape, right? So I'm like, after this step, straight away you can reduce this. There's no problem. But at the moment, since we are learning, we have to go step by step, right? So now we can replace this acceleration of simple m relative to earth by this result, isn't it? So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to get something like T minus mg sin alpha is equal to m times f minus f cos alpha, right? So let's call this equation number 1. And can we apply F equals ma for the particle 2m now? So complete this and then start applying F equals ma for the particle 2m. Right? So let's give it a start. All right. Okay. You mean like you're talking about this step? This one. This one. Okay. So you're asking why we have to write minus f plus alpha. Okay. Upwards, there will be 0. Yeah, but you shouldn't take upwards, right? Because now there's no upward motion, right? There's slanted move. Yeah, I get you. But the thing is, normally we apply F equals ma along the direction of the motion, right? Otherwise, it will be non-realistic. Right? Get into this and then apply F equals ma for this. So let's emphasize on this 2m. And for your easiness, let me get the other angle also as alpha. वही चार्जर है वहाँ आईफोन चार्जर डाल दी can you guys see the whiteboard as well?
Hi, sir.
I can see you in front of me on the wall.
Oh, then okay, sir.
But I'll take off the whiteboard. Now last apply F equals ma for 2m in this considered direction of motion. Now we are done with this one. So I'll keep it emphasized and I'll get this equation on the whiteboard. Then later I will erase this. Right. So let's look at this guy, 2m. So this is just the equation of 1. There's no connection with what we are doing now. So I'm going to apply this way, F equals ma to the particle 2m. Right? The particle 2m. So now we can write in this direction, we are going to have 2 mg sine alpha minus the tension equals 2m times acceleration of 2m relative to Earth. Right. So what is this acceleration of 2m relative to Earth in this particular direction? And that becomes the resultant. So by applying principle of relative acceleration, you can know this is 2m relative to m plus acceleration of m relative to Earth. So you may write this is equal to now 2m relative to m, no problem, that is just the magnitude f, and we have considered in that particular direction. And talking about this guy, once again you have this obligation. In this particular direction, if we take a component, it will be negative, right? So it will be minus f cos alpha, right? So you may write two mg sin alpha minus the tension equals 2m times f minus f cos alpha, right? Yeah. That is equation number 2. Right? So complete that as well. And see whether the whiteboard is clear to you.
Yeah, sir. Visible.
Clear, ne?
Oh,
අකුරු හොඳට පේන දවල් නැති පල්ලෙහා හරියම
පේනවා.
මට. equation දෙක අට ගන්න 1 and 2. You know, one of the students was sitting here, you know, he was asked, and Abdul, right, Akam, I can remember, right, Akam was asking how the payments will be done in the future. Very simple, you know, you can even pay online. You can pay through bank deposits, right, and then attach a slip. Or you can come to the institute and pay. Very simple. So basically, there's a seat booking system. You can see that. I don't know if you have seen that because it's a free session. When you book the slot, at the same time, you will get a text message telling that this is your seat number. Free anything, right? So from next week onwards, when you pay that particular monthly fee, a particular seat will be booked for you. Right? So you will have a proper number, right? You can even interchange that number with one of your friends after coming to the institute. That's all, right? 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 So anyway, ගෙදර ඉන්නවනේ අම්මලා තාත්තලා එනවනේ. ඒතර ඕගොල්ලෝ ගෙනියන් සීක්‍රට් හොදාගෙන. අපේ ළමයි එහෙම නෑ කෑලි ගාව වාඩි වෙන්නේ නෑ. එහෙම නෑ. Right.
So you phone දාගෙන ඉන්නේ ඉන්සර්ෂිප්.
headphone දාගෙන ඉතින් අනිත් උන් දාගෙන දන්නේ. Right. So anyway, those are 3 ways of, you know, booking a slot. Or you can book an online slot and learn online. Right. දැන් මේකේ තියෙන වාසිය තමයි ළමයි දැන් අපිට මේ වගේ සිස්ටම් එකක් ඔය කොරෝනා මගුලට කලින් තිබ්බනම්, right? So I mean, like, even after this you know, issue that's going to happen, next day we could have done the class as usual, right? දැන් මේ මාර කාලයක් ගියනේ මේවා හරියට සිස්ටමයිස් වෙලා එන්න, right? I mean, like, I think I started it earlier, but still it didn't have that technology that the students really wanted, right? දැන් මේ level එකට ආව කියලා කියන්නේ you can see the backside, right? So in that quality, if you can see the lesson, I mean, that's what the students are expecting, right? Not like you keep a mobile phone and do it. I'm like, that's a good setup to start with, but I mean, this is the proper learning, right? So they need to have that classroom experience, right? And whenever we want to share some video, then we should be able to share screen, right? I'm like, that's how it should happen. You know, last Friday we had a class here with 300 students in class. That means we have 3 halls, right? And each hall there were 100 students, right? And then online there were 500 more students. Another combined maths teacher, Sinhala medium, last Friday. So this Friday I think we will have more because it's going to be a class. So we bought the ground floor as well. So there's a huge construction process happening. You can see that we are, you know, trying to get our best out of this, right? ළමයි ශක්ති people මේ ශක්තියේ මොකක්ද තත්ත්වය? ටොයිලට් ටික හදලාද? Start kara. How was the washroom facility and all? Have they adjusted? No, right? Same. Now here for boys, you have a separate washroom. Through the corridor, no one will go out. Only one person at a time will go, and each time you go and out, they will be sanitizing. Right? And for girls, you have sorry, for boys, you have to take a turn to the corridor and go to your washroom. Girls directly they can go. So basically, washroom is a in-class facility. You don't have to go out and meet your friends and go to the washroom. Right? Right, shall we complete this? Now, can you add these two equations and see what happens? Add 1 and 2. T together again. So you have a new equation where T is eliminated. You have a new equation where T is eliminated. So let's see. So I'm going to try 1 plus 2. So you get your T eliminated. This T, okay, let's look at from here, that's easier. This T and this minus T, right, they are going to get eliminated. Well, right. So when you add them up, you get mg sine alpha. That's going to be 3m f minus f cos alpha. Good news, m is getting cancelled. So get g sine alpha equals 3f minus 3f cos alpha. Right. So let's call this equation number 3. And let me write down equation number 3 here so that later we can use it. Right. So let's start working on this. So we have g sine alpha being equal to 3 times f minus f cos alpha. So to have a rough idea on simple F and capital F, this is enough. But we need to find exactly what is simple F and capital F, right? So what we can do is, we can apply F equals ma now for the system, right? So let's apply F equals ma for the system. So I'm going to apply F equals ma for the system, right? So you should be having that picture in your mind right now. So let me emphasize that here. we imagine that the wedge is moving towards your left. And then particle M moving this way, particle 2M of course moving this way. But do we know whether this is a realistic movement? We just imagine that it might be the case, right? So with this, you can see when you consider the whole system, there will be different acceleration, right? So this time, let me use this direction. And so this is almost working in that format we were talking about, F equals sigma ma form, right? Not just F equals ma. You have different masses with different acceleration, but we will only consider one particular direction, right? So in this particular direction, it's going to be something like this. The force in the horizontal format is definitely zero because there is no any unbalanced external force for the whole system. The system right? So here we can write capital M has an acceleration capital F, and then let's think about simple F, simple M. So of course we'll start with F minus F cos alpha. Because we are considering this direction, right? This should be the real acceleration. Of what? Real acceleration of simple M. So it should be acceleration of M relative to Earth plus acceleration of other way around, right? M relative to M plus acceleration of M. So of course you can see this F and then this. You can do it in your mind after you get this properly. Not only that, there's another particle. So we have 2m times. In this direction, you already have capital F. And then minus F cos. Are we clear? Anyone got that equation? No one has applied the system. Right. So I'll give you some moment. You also apply F equals ma for the whole system straight away, right? And then see whether you will map onto the same shape that I am following on, right? Let's give it a try. Okay, so what people are telling is the whiteboard is not clear. So raise your hands if you have got the same equation after applying F equals ma for the whole system. You can see this is going to be the second equation that consists of simple F and capital F, right? There will be mf plus 3m times f minus f cos alpha, right? So with the help of these two equations, that means the final equation you got here, and then I have written in red color, you can see. So with these two equations, you should be able to calculate what is simple F and capital F. Yeah. Guys, can you see the whiteboard now? I just turned off few lights.
Yes, I can see.
But. Try to find what is simple F and what is capital F. So anyone who has calculated simple f and capital F by now? You can raise your hand. मैं बोला करना नहीं अरे सिंपल F capital F आ गया था बरुणा बने सकते अरे साड़ी का सेम bersama. See. So let me simplify this a little bit. Kalau baru maaf ini. So this is going to be MF plus 3M times F minus F cos alpha equals I think that's equation number 3. 4. 3. Okay, let's call this guy 3.
So equation number 4.
Any question? Or name? Let's get this erased.
So let's multiply all these terms by minus 1. So we get 1 minus cos squared alpha times 9m minus, this consists of capital M by the way. Now the negative vanishes. So finally you get F is equal to, sorry, it will be positive, eh? Now we can take 3m out. This is 1 minus cos square sin square. And 3 is already out. Just simple level, right? For this, there should be a simple F. Raise your hand if you have got the same solution. Bravo. Right, so now you have to, so one of the students here also have got the answer, right? And now you have to calculate what? Capital F. So using this value of simple F, you can calculate capital F. Capital F. Oh, you will break. Lagi. Here? So I pahai. Padang kali dah hai, mato ini. Right. 10 minutes. You have the washroom here, right? Or you again, premises you can stay, but not outside. Right. Okay. So let's have a small break for like, let's say 10 minutes, and then we'll restart from the calculation of capital F. That's better, right? Guys, let's give it a start. Let's see. Yeah, all are here, I guess, right? Now, first of all, we have to find what is capital F. So let me calculate that. And the other camera is on charge. So basically, there can be a delay between the voice and the writings that I'm doing on the board, right? Just don't follow my words, follow the board. So someone tell me the result we got for simple F. Right? G sin alpha, right, times capital M plus 3m over 3 times capital M plus 3m sin square, right? So that is simple F. So we can use one of these equations here. Yeah, let's use number 3. So it says G sin alpha
is equal to 3 times f minus f cos alpha. So if you take this term to this side, that's capital F cos alpha equals 3f minus g sin alpha. So you can write f is now given by yes, that is 3 capital F, right? Now clear? 3f here also. Now clear, right? So 3f cos alpha is equal to 3 times f, that is this result, that is, let me use a different color. I'm going to use f here, which is g sin alpha times m plus 3m over 3 times right. We can write capital F is equal to sin over cos is going to be tan. All right, m plus 3m g tan alpha divided by 3 times m plus 3m sin squared alpha. Right? So that is the acceleration of the whole system. Right? Okay. Get it down. Put it in. Okay, guys, get it down. So we have calculated what is capital F. I got blackboard like this. Okay, raise the hands who got the same answer. I mean, like by calculating on your own. Right. Ahmed Akil. Hey, someone is talking, right? So let me get my. Someone was talking, right? I think someone wants to ask a question. Was it Akil? Okay. Right. So what you can see now is the calculation of simple F and capital F, right? Right. Understood, right? And the online people, how many of you got the idea properly? Understood everything without any issue. Right. Okay. Now I can see all your
chat screens and your reactions on the board. So let me take a minute to explain this facility to you, right? So let me show you through a video. Right, so on this big screen, I can see you guys. I'm like, first of all, the main board. I'm like what I'm writing, and I can see your chat screens and your what do you call reactions, right? And I can see the students in front of me, and we have this, head panel cameras, and then operator assistants, right? So everything is done accordingly, right? So basically, this is set up due to few reasons. Number one, I wanted to, get myself cleared. In the sense, I wanted to be at one place and do all the classes. That is the personal necessity, right? At the meantime, I thought of, making it much more convenient for the students. So all the lessons that we are doing will be recorded, right? And the people who has paid will have the access for VOD for a period of 1 week, right? That means until the next VOD is uploaded, the previous lesson will be there, right? Again, right? That means to catch up with the next lesson, right? And the other thing is, there are different payment formats, right? Conventional, even though we call it 21st century. අපි ළමයි තාම ක්ලාස් එකට ඇවිල්ලා තල්ලේ දීලා අංකල් කොපියක් දෙන්නකෝ වගේ නිකන් එහෙම සීන් එකක් තමයි කරන්නේ, right? So now we have introduced all three types of what do you call payments, right? One other, you can pay online, right, through your Visa, debit card, Easy Cash, anything, right? Or else you can do a small bank transfer, finish it off, or you can even pay to the bank, or the fourth option is you pay to the institute. Now, when you go outside, you will see there are some students waiting to get themselves registered and pay to the institute. But this should happen. All these things, other than online payment directly happening, you better do it at least 48 hours before the slot. Then my classes, one of the classes that I am doing with you guys, you know that we have a lot of space. Right? But some other classes can be there where the seat booking is optimum. It's better you come and book a seat before, right? So we are upgrading the facility little by little, and this is the first class facility where you can teach online students and offline students at the same time, right? So this is the need of an hour, right? I'm like, maybe in the future you might be thinking like, what if the corona thing is going to go off and you don't need these things? Technically speaking, rather than this corona solution, you have many other, good things, when you come to this particular way of learning, right? Like in terms of, getting your lesson scheduled, having a proper plan, and then revising yourself, right? Everything is, properly planned in this format, right? And once again, the technology is used properly, right? Because once again, I'm reminding you, we just call that we are living in the 21st century, right? But still, I think, sometimes, you don't even feel that you are in that particular century, right? Then, mobile phones, some parents are like, they are telling, we don't let our children use mobile phones. What is the reason? They use it for some, unwanted things. So why do they use it for unwanted things? Because they don't have anything that can be done in a proper manner. Like there's no proper application for them to use. Now, for example, you use WhatsApp, but you don't know the reason of using WhatsApp. You just chat. So you can do many other things using that, right? When you go to Facebook, right? I think especially in Sri Lanka, there are a huge number of meme pages, right? At the meantime, you could have put up your content there, maybe writing, right, singing, right? I'm like, we use platforms in a very weird way, right? Why is that? Because we are not being educated to cope up with the updated status of any technology, right? So in a way, happening something like this in our country, would have been a dream, right? but I mean like with the help of the team and my family and few of the teachers, like prominent teachers who helped us, it became a reality, right? So if you come to this facility one day, you will see how convenient it is. I just need to decorate it. Now we have the facility, but I need to put up that icing on that, right? Making a unique color to the desk, right? Or maybe changing the desk by chairs in the future, right? And I have some ideas of getting some bonsai trees inside, right? You come to a place where everything is nice and calm, right? And we have in-class washroom facility, so we just need an in-class canteen. Simple as that. And so things can be arranged. It won't take much time, but we have to wait for some time so that we get this fine and shine, right? But now we can do our learning process continuously. No one has any problem. So from next week onwards, we will put in the payment platform on, right? So you can pay as usual, like you used to pay for the classes, and get your work done, right? And the tutorials, very good thing. If you want the printed tutorial, right? Whenever you come across Nugegoda, I'll be keeping the tutors in the class, right? So if anyone participating online, you can come to the institute and then pick your tutors and go home, no problem. And then learn online. I don't mind whether you are sleeping or working, but it's better, when you are participating in the online classes. As I told you, I can see you guys on this big screen, right? In the whole when you come to the online class, better have a proper background and turn on your videos and then work with these people, right? Right? Then we have that nice contact. Then if you have a question, you can always react, right? Now I have enough responses because I have some people sitting in front of me. But what I'm telling is, it's better if you can also integrate properly. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට රට ඇරලා තියෙන ළමයි. දැන් ඔය ලැප්ටොප්ස් වල වෙබ්කෑම් වැඩ කරන දේ කට්ටියට ගියා වෙබ්කෑම් එකක් ගත්තා සරලයි. right? දැන් එහෙම නැත්නම් වෙබ්කෑම් එක වැඩ කරන්නේ එනවා ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් ආව. ඔයගොල්ලන්නේ that is also another application. right? සමහර කට්ටියන ෆෝන් තියෙනවා ෆෝන් එකේ කැමරාවක් නැහැ. ඔක ෆෝන් කැමරා පොලේ ගහපන්. ෆෝන් එකේ කැමරාවක් නැත්නම් මොකටද ඒක ෆෝන් එක කියන්නේ? දැන් ඒ කියන්නේ උඩ තියෙන ඔබන ෆෝන් එකක් වෙනවා. අර 1100 එහෙම තියෙන්නේ. Right? So now we have to upgrade, right? අම්මලට දැන් කියන්න මට ෆෝන් එකක් කරන් දුන්න අවුලක් නැහැ. මම දැන් ෆෝන් එකකින් මොනවද? මල් කඩන්නේ නැහැ. මම කරන්නේ ඉගෙන ගන්න. Right? So basically you can do something, right? You can actually use it for a better purpose, right? දැන් සමහරක් parents මම දැක්කා මේ කියන දැන් අපි පුතාට ෆෝන් එකක් කරන් දෙන්න මට විදිහක් නැහැ. Right? So force කරන්න එපා parents වලට. You can come to physical class also. ඉස්සර වගේම normal class එකට එන්න පුළුවන්, right? So we have given all the health conditions, unless today only 3 people are there, so I never asked them to wear the mask. දැන් ළමයි අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 10 වඩා ඉන්න ළමයි normally during this particular day we are asking them to wear the mask, right? ඉතින් ඕක තමයි කේස් එක මහ ලොකු සීන් එකක් නේ, right? So from next week we are going to continue with furthermore questions of relative acceleration, right? And then last week I started to deal with what you call pulleys. So I'm going to do one pulley question and one wedges question and then combine them. Right? With that we can maybe move into what? Work power energy. Right? And then we have to do some examination questions. So this is a long lesson, you can see that. And the initiation seems a little bit difficult, right? But then you have to redo it again and again and again, different types of example. Now, for example, initially when you get the equation stuff, and if you are a first time, student who's learning relative acceleration, you may think that this is a very difficult lesson. It is not the case. You have to take time. Ek question I'm trying my best to slow it down. But this lesson, I'm making it super slow so that even the student, now the camera is crystal clear. Okay, and that's a comment because I'm in the talking area, not the stage. Maybe that's the reason. But anyway, we are upgrading these facilities, and I need some comments from my students. In the sense now all of you are my students. May facility can la me ideas ka chat ekata දාන්න බලන්න. I'm like, what do you think of this facility and all? අපි බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. තාම නෑ. So whatever the comments you have on this facility and the experience you got from home, this is something very important that we need to know. Even the physical class students are waiting for your responses, looking at the big screen. Right. Akhil is saying that I feel like there are no flows. It's perfect. Right? And yeah, perfect. Just like we are in a physical class. This is what I wanted. Right? This is the comment that I wanted to hear. Right, but right. So now you can understand why I couldn't do some of your classes. Right, all this time I wanted to get this to the next level. This is what we are waiting for. Feeling like being in the class. So this is the feeling I wanted to give you, right? But there's more to come, right? There's a lot more to come, right? For an example, there'll be 3 TV screens outside the class. Again, කවුරුහරි අම්මලා ඉන්නවා නම් ඒගොල්ලන්ට එළියේ ඉඳන් ක්ලාස් එක බලගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන්, right? And we will be starting a new news channel called Tutoring News. So myself and one of my friends will be doing a news report every week, right? Only on tuition field, right? තව ගොඩක් දේවල් දෙනවා දැන් කියන්නේ දෙල්ලාමදි, right? So we have planned a lot in the future, right? And I'm really sorry once again for the delays that I had in terms of doing classes, right? ඕන මතකද ළමයි සතියක් හරි දෙයක් හරි මට කරන්න බැරුව ගියා. එක දවසක් ඇවිල්ලා ආපහු යන්නුනා because there were many sleepless nights, right? And I'm not working as a teacher for Shakti, Acme, Regency, what else anymore, right? So I'm working on my own now, right? So if I need to put any extra class now, I am all big week, right? So if I want to have any free session, I have my whole week, right? And I have my freedom now because on Sundays I'll be taking on 2021, right? 21 in the morning and then 22 in the afternoon, right? And any student from 2021, right? We will create news. Right, so basically, if you want to participate any lower batch, you can come free of charge. In Shakti, you can remember they didn't give me that option, so I'm giving that option here. They would have paid me for that last year. So I should be able to let them enter the classes free of charge if they just want to relearn, right? In many institutes, they never allowed me, even though I thought that it is ethical, they thought it is not that financial, right? You think, right, so I can let you learn. Anyone having financial difficulties, come and talk, right? I'm now not earning from teaching, right? This is going to be my hobby now, right? So, telling you honestly, but it doesn't mean that making it a hobby, it's not going to be responsible. For a while, I'll be teaching, then probably I'll be stopping it, right? I don't want to continue it for a long career until I die. Because there are many other things that I missed, during this time period. So I'm going to catch those miss-ups, right? Or catch up those misses, right? So let's finish it off for today, right? So next week, it's going to be a proper payment basis class, and lessons will be put on in the leadshybrid.lk website, right? Overnight, my lessons add karana patta lazy. You can go to the timetable, and then on the timetable, if you click on me, it will go to the card. Overnight, try color, So there are things that you can do easily. You don't have to filter the teacher all the time. You go to the timetable, after login yourself, you can basically, punch me in, you go to the card. At the lessons, finish it off. No weekly lessons anymore. You will be paying for the whole month, and that's a hassle-free situation, I guess, right? Just 1 month, one payment, game is over, right? And final thing, in terms of the transportation, if you have any problem, now you don't have to worry, right? 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 Question papers, we can arrange a class in the night, right? So whenever I have time, like I'm going to allocate the whole Sunday for the 2021 and 22 batches, and Saturday afternoon will be for 2020 batch, right? ඒක ගියාට පස්සේ 2020 තව ටික දවසයින් exam කරාට පස්සේ මට Sunday විතරයි class තියෙනවා. බලන්න කොච්චර ආදරද කියලා. right? ඉතින් ඒක තමයි හොයාගෙන ගියේ මෙච්චර කල් because I wanted to teach with a freedom. ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්නවනේ මම ආස නැහැ මේ අර shirt ඇඳලා යට කරගෙන belt දාලා අර නිකන් බොරු සිහිනයක් දාන්න ඇවිල්ලා. right? Because tuition is not teaching, but teaching is not tuition. right? So there are two parts in it. Teach කරන්න හැමෝටම පුළුවන් නම. Even you can teach a neighbor, right? But being in the tuition field and becoming a teacher is a different challenge, right? You need to have some soft skills as well as hard skills, right? Make a venas, right? At the meantime, you need to have the will to help the students rather than just earning out of it, right? During this period, being the first person to start online classes, I would have earned like nothing by putting charge on the students, right? Afterwards, what I felt is, just doing a class through a mobile phone, right? And charging the students is unethical, I'll tell you honestly. Initially, I didn't have money with me, I told you the story. So the only way that I could earn was like, doing teaching, right? And getting some help from the others. So I did my part to the maximum level. By that time, it was really good. ඒ දවස්වල ඒක පාට. ඒක අවුරු කළා තිබෙන්නේ නැහැ හරියට. ඒ දවස්වල ඒක පාට. හැබැයි ටික දවසක් මට තේරිච්චා හැම එකම දැන් මොබයිල් ෆෝන් කට්ටක් කරගෙන ක්ලාස් එකක් කරනවා. right? So just to collect money. ඊට වඩා හොඳයි බස් කොන්දෝස් කරගෙන ඉක්ුණා මට හිතුනේ ඒක. right? ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙම නිකන් මොබයිල් ෆෝන් කට්ටක් ගහගෙන හරිද ක්ලාස් එකක් කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ you don't invest anything. You are trying to earn. Just think from your end. Or you bring your laptop in front of you and then you do a class and then you earn. I feel that is unethical. Being in the tuition field, you have been hard workers. Right? අපි tutorials print කරලා කට ගාගෙන ඇවිල්ලා ළමයින්ට කියලා දෙන්න උන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් පැය ගණන් class එක ඉවරලා ඉඳලා. right? So that is how normally it is done. So classroom experience එක ඒ විදිහටම දෙන්න බැරි නම් වැඩක් නෑ නේද? right? කවුද? Can you put it on YouTube live or Facebook live directly? right? ළමයි ඕලන්ගේ තව ප්‍රශ්න ගැටලු තියෙනවනේ chat එකට දාන්න. And if you want to talk, you can talk, but I don't have my earbuds here. Sorry. Very good question. As soon as the 2020 people are out, අපි දැන් එලා තව මාසයක් හරි මාස දෙකක් කරන ඉන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ. Because the mock examinations are started for 2020 students now, right? ඒක එළියට ගිය ගමන් අපි වැඩේ පටන් ගන්නවා. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිකන් හිතන්නකෝ by the mid of September වගේ. right? අනිත් 2021 හරි ඉස්කෝලේ නෑ නේද? July 6th. 20th of July.
20th.
I think Sahira maybe they are starting a little earlier. మేము ගොඩක් ඉස්කෝල පරක්කු වෙලා පටන් ගන්නවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පරක්කු කරයි දන්නේ නැහැ සමහරවිට. But you have some vacation coming up, right? Ramazan vacation නැද්ද? ඉවරයිනේ. Then you don't have to catch up. Maybe you have some catch ups from there. And then there's another good thing with this facility. Since I am not bound to any institute or any owner, I can live on my own. Right? මට ඕන රෙද්දක් ඇඳගෙන මට ඕන මොකුලක් ගියාගෙන මගේ වැඩේ කරන් යන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So no one is going to question me, right? Here. Naman. YouTube දැම්මේ. Prime tuition. Facebook දැම්ම ඉවරයි මගේ එක. කමන්නේ පස්සේ රෙකෝඩින් එක දාම පරක් වෙනවා. මම ඉවර කරන්න යන්නේ මොකද මට බඩගිනි. right? එන ළමයි ලබන සතිය හම්බෙමු and I hope some of you දැන් ඔය අසනීප බය නැති වෙච්ච කට්ටිය come and see the physical class. right? This is a great facility. right? ලබන සතියේදී මේක තවදුරටත් ලස්සන වෙයි. physical class එකෙන් එන්න. right? මම තනියෙන් ඉන්නේ. right? මම upset එකේ ඉන්නේ. යාළුවෝ ටික ළඟ නැහැ කියලා. So next week come to the physical class. We'll meet up and I want to see your faces badly. I didn't see you for like 3 months. උඹලා දැන් වයසට ගිහිල්ලා මාස 3කින්. right? ළමයි next week we will meet up then. Questions එක තියෙනවා tutorial එකේ. The PDF tutorial. There are a lot of questions based on wedges and police. Now you can try any of those questions. Next week I'm going to drag the police once again and then mix up with wedges and continue. Okay, then let's finish it off. So next week we'll start by the proper time. අපි 10ට නේ දාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. 10ට වගේ දාගෙන තියෙන්නේ කීට හරි වරෙන්. ආපු වෙලාවට පටන් ගන්න. Right? So let's finish it off. Okay, then have a nice week, and the recording of this video will be up most probably within 2 to 3 days, right? Maximum 4, බලමු 2-3 days වගේ දාන්න බලන්න, right? And don't ask questions from me like whether the video is up or not. ඇත්තටම ඒක මම නෙමෙයි කරන්නේ. We have a video team for that. They'll be doing that because they first download it from the cloud and then they put it the editing panel, so on and so forth happens. But last week, you can remember, I couldn't do that for my videos. There's a huge set of videos. Now we are going to get more staff, right? I think mage videos ටික අතහැරලා අනිත් teachers ලාට කරලා දුන්නා. Right? අපි එහෙමනේ වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? I think mage videos වෙනකොට මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කලින්ම cloud recording එක තමයි බලන්න දුන්නේ. Right? Isn't it? When you turn it on, it's the Zoom cloud recording. It is not an edited version. මම දන්නේ යකෙක් වගේ හිටියද දන්නේ. Right? But anyway, you can catch up the lesson through that. But from next week onwards, things are going to be proper shine and fine. Right? Kena lamai අපි වැඩි ඉවරයක් කරලා දාමු. Next week will start at 10 then. Right? In online people get ready in between 10 to 10:30. And I prefer, if you can come to the offline classes at least once and then go online.